Why Sora AI poses a threat to the future. In the ever-evolving landscape of artificial intelligence, OpenAI's Sora emerges as a groundbreaking innovation. This AI marvel possesses the ability to generate lifelike videos from mere text prompts, revolutionizing the world of content creation and visual storytelling. However, beneath its undeniable potential lies a potent undercurrent of danger. This article explores the multifaceted threats posed by Sora AI, urging a cautious approach to its development and implementation. 1. The threat of deepfakes and disinformation. Sora AI's ability to generate realistic videos can be easily weaponized to create deepfakes, fabricated videos manipulated to make it appear as if someone is saying or doing something they never did. These deepfakes can be used to spread misinformation, damage reputations, and sow discord across political and social landscapes. The potential for manipulation is particularly concerning in the context of elections, where deepfakes can sway public opinion and undermine democratic processes. 2. Erosion of trust and the blurring of reality. The widespread use of deepfakes generated by Sora AI can erode public trust in media and information sources. If viewers are constantly bombarded with manipulated videos, it becomes increasingly difficult to discern real from fabricated content. This breakdown of trust can have a destabilizing effect on society, hindering communication and fostering paranoia. 3. The automation of propaganda and bias. Sora AI has the potential to automate the creation of propaganda. Malicious actors could use the technology to mass-produce biased videos tailored to specific audiences, amplifying existing societal divisions and furthering extremist agendas. This could exacerbate existing social tensions and lead to real-world violence. 4. The ethical quandaries of ownership and control. The ownership and control of Sora AI raise significant ethical concerns. In the wrong hands, this powerful tool could be used to manipulate public opinion, control narratives, and silence dissent. Clear ethical guidelines and regulations are crucial to ensure responsible development and prevent malicious misuse of the technology. 5. Job displacement and the future of work. Sora AI's ability to create compelling videos raises concerns about job displacement in the creative industries. Video editing, animation, and even acting professions could be significantly impacted as AI-generated content becomes more prevalent. This necessitates proactive measures to address potential job losses and ensure a smooth transition for affected individuals. 6. The devaluation of authenticity and originality. The ubiquity of AI-generated content threatens to devalue authenticity and originality in storytelling. With the ease of creating polished video narratives through Sora AI, there's a risk of homogenization and a potential decline in human creativity. Encouraging human-AI collaboration and fostering critical thinking skills will be essential in this evolving landscape. 7. The unforeseen consequences of unfettered innovation. The rapid pace of technological advancement often outpaces our ability to fully comprehend the potential consequences. The unforeseen implications of Sora AI remain largely unknown. As such, a cautious approach is necessary, prioritizing thorough research and risk assessments before widespread adoption. 8. The erosion of privacy and the weaponization of information. The training data used to develop Sora AI likely includes vast amounts of personal information. In the wrong hands, this data could be used to create highly targeted and invasive deepfakes, further violating individual privacy. Establishing strong data privacy regulations and ensuring secure storage practices are paramount. 9. The rise of AI-generated social engineering and cybercrime. Sora AI could be used to create hyper-realistic phishing scams and social engineering attacks. Deepfakes could be used to impersonate trusted individuals or authorities, tricking victims into revealing sensitive information or transferring funds. Cybersecurity measures need to be constantly updated to stay ahead of this evolving threat. 10. The existential risk of AI overlords. A consideration. While less immediate than the aforementioned threats, some experts raise concerns about the long-term implications of advanced AI. The possibility of AI surpassing human intelligence and potentially becoming a threat to humanity shouldn't be entirely dismissed. Careful consideration of these existential risks and the development of safeguards are crucial. Conclusion: a measured approach to a powerful tool. Sora AI undoubtedly possesses immense potential to revolutionize content creation. However, this power comes with a significant responsibility. Recognizing the multitude of threats associated with this technology is vital. Open and transparent discussions, coupled with robust regulations and ethical considerations, are necessary to ensure Sora AI is used for good and its potential dangers are mitigated. Only through a balanced approach can we harness the power of AI for the betterment of humanity.